Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete a post from Offerup. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete a post from Offerup, all you need to do first is simply tap open your Offerup app. Once you open it, you need to get signed in into your account. Now all you need to do is simply tap on the dollar tag on the bottom of the screen. Once you do this, you can find all the options that have been on the settings list by you. So after you find all these stuffs, you can simply tap on the particular stuff you want to delete. So simply tap that particular post and you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Now simply tap on the three dots option right beside edit. So once you tap on it, you will be now redirected to this interface where you can get options, where you can find the option called archive. Simply hit the archive button, as this is the only way to simply delete your post from Offerup. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.